A lot of people said wushu is only a dancing, but actually wushu is an art of war. 我是 Gogi， 我的中文名字是徐天虎，我是哈莫尼武术馆的教练。我喜欢武术，因为我爸爸也是喜欢武术，我爸爸的爸爸也是喜欢武术，我爷爷的爸爸从中国来的。我开始练武术可能5岁，我练很多击剑、刀剑、棍、降术 and all many different weapons. So when I teach the kids, usually per class I give them some specialty. As a teacher, as a 教练, I have to able to teach anything that must be taught to children. 第一次我去中国是2004年，有一年全国比赛，我们雅加达队去上海，在那边练2个月，然后2006也去上海，有时候去北京，有时候去郑州、河南练武术。比赛在北京2007世界比赛，我拿第1名。And then I start to teach when I was 17. Until now I'm 41. To become a wushu coach, it needs at least 10, 15 or 20 years of training. So it's very hard to make the coach. You really need a lot of competition, championship, go to China and meet a lot of people and have the very correct way to express your teaching to the kids. Wushu is not just about wushu actually. It's about human development, about muscle structure, bone structure, about motoric, you know. We teach them also the art, the philosophy. It's like when the kids learn broadsword, I tell them the broadsword is sharp, but it's much more important to sharpen your mind and to sharpen your heart and to sharpen your motoric. Usually my best students, they are being paid by the government to go to China to train and to compete. But I would like to bring my student to do a tour, a study tour about the civilization, about the culture to China. In Indonesia, we love the art, we love the culture, we love the theory, we love the philosophy, and we love the science beside of the wushu. The most fascinating culture in China is they're able to take what is traditional and they're able to make it modernized, and they know the essence, how to build generations. When I go to China, I see it's different, a lot of things different, especially educated generation there. We have a lot of things to learn from the life purpose, and so we can work better with other humans, you know. I never felt that in wushu I'm a master because I always meet a new way to develop my skill, a new style and a new science that I haven't mastered yet.